Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel, Jeff at Cutter Masters. One of our customers a while back asked us how to center up the radius attachment upper spindle. And we had to think about that a little bit. There's a notch down here which we use to line that up, but that'll only get you so close. So we need to figure out a way to do that. So what we did is we mounted a 1-inch ball bearing on the end of a shaft. You got a magnetic indicator. You can just wiggle it back and forth until you get to the center of the bearing, and then you should be good to swing it. And if the upper spindle is centered, you can swing it all the way around 180 degrees and you'll have the same reading. So we're going to pull this pin, and then we'll just give it a swing. This will also tell you if your gibs are tight, which is really important because you don't want that upper carriage moving around if you're in the middle of a grind. But if you have it in the center, it'll be the same reading, and because this is a ball, you can actually go past 180 degrees and it'll give you a good reading. So it's a pretty good setup. It's very easy to use and should help you generate good ball ends. Thanks for watching.